Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? What we're going to give you here is a virtual experience of what it'd be like to come down to beautiful sunny Orange, California, come into our shop and actually pick out something in our shop to have completely restored for you. What we're going to do is going to be concentrating today on trade stimulators. Hey everyone, what we have here is our first offering of Restore It For You is a 1936 Groetchen penny smoke trade stimulator, which will all be here today. As you can see, it's got good bones. It's got the original scorecards in it. We're going to have to replace the handle there. We would be chroming it all out. I'll be showing you some other pictures, what you can expect it to look like. But again, it's got all its mechanics there. Jaime will have to pop it all out and get it all working again. So let us know if this Groetchen penny smoke is for you.
How you doing today? So we really want to tell you we appreciate you watching our videos. We've done about 1,600 of them to date, and you guys respond very nicely to it, and we really appreciate it. So if you like them, man, smash the subscribe button, right? Boom, hit the subscribe button and click on the reminder button, and if you do that, you will get reminded. There's a little bell there. Click on that. What we'd like you to do is make comments, and please make sure you share it with your friends. You guys are taking us to the top of the YouTube channel, and if you do those three things, you'll be able to see us real time, especially if you hit the bell to remind you. It'll come up every time on your phone. We try to do a lot of fun stuff for y'all, and we appreciate you watching our videos. So let's smash it, let's grab it, let's watch them, let's comment, let's send us comments, share it with your friends. If you do that, you'll take us to the top, and we would really appreciate it.
These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.